Beatbox noises that non-beatboxers would think are weird. I think this is gonna be the last one because I'm running out of sounds. Number 1, the Kim squeak. Number 2, the Kim squeak variations. Number 3, the Kanozen bass. Number 4, the sucker punch. Number 5, I think it's called a 2H snare, but I don't know. Number 6, the holoclop. Number 7, the triple holoclop combo. Number 8, the lip oscillation. Number 9, the vocalized lip oscillation. And number 10, the snore bass. If there's a sound I missed, I'll probably do it solo. And yeah, thanks for watching. Yes.